Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to solve the Pyraminx. Using this method, you should be able to average under 20 seconds pretty easily. The first step to solving it is to solve the tips. And there's not really any method to this, you just spin them, line them up with this piece. The next step is to determine what color a side is going to be. So choose any side, I'm going to choose this side. We need to find out what color this is going to be. So just look at these three tips, and so we see this one has green, red, and blue. This one has green, yellow, and red, and this one has yellow, blue, and red. And all of these three tips have red. So therefore, this side will be red. And you're just going to turn it so that these three are the same color, in this case, red. Now, we're going to solve one whole layer. So just choose any side you want. I'm going to choose red, and find an edge piece, these are edge pieces, that has red, or whatever color you chose. So this one has red, and it also has yellow. So we need to find, down here, which spot has red and yellow. And that's this spot, so red and yellow. So you're going to turn it so that this red and yellow piece is above where it needs to go. So now this red and yellow piece is above where it needs to go, and the red is facing you. Okay, we put this red and yellow piece above its slot, and if it's on the right, which it is in this case, you're going to do this algorithm. R prime, L, R, L prime, and that will move it into its slot. Now we need to find another red piece. So here's the red and green one. This is where it needs to go. It's already above it, but red is not facing us. So we're going to turn it to this side, and now red is facing us. And because it's on the left, we're going to do that algorithm twice. R prime, L, R, L prime, R prime, L, R, L prime. And now it's in its position. Okay, here is the last red piece. Here's where it needs to go. We're going to move it over that position with red facing us, and it's on the left in this case, so we're going to do that algorithm twice. And now one layer is solved. Now that we have solved one layer, we're going to repeat that and solve another layer. So choose another layer besides the one you just did. I'm going to choose blue. Find a blue edge, blue and green. Here is the blue and green slot. Move it above that position with blue facing you, and perform the algorithm. R prime, L, R, L prime. Now it's in its spot. Here's the last blue piece. We're going to move it above the position. In this case, blue is on the left, so we need to do that algorithm twice. R prime, L, R, L prime, R prime, L, R, L prime. And as you can see, it is solved. But if it's not, just keep doing that. So just choose another side and solve it. And then you just keep doing that until it solves. So a slightly faster way to do this is if you doing red in this case, and your edge piece is on the left, instead of doing R prime L R L prime twice, you can do L R prime L prime R, and that will do the same thing.